Hey there, Shafi here. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a community inside your Marketers CRM account. Okay. So for that, you have to head over to Course Builder and then click Communities and then click Groups. So you will be on this screen. So if you don't have any groups created, it's going to be empty and it's not going to show something like this, which is my group card. Okay. So let me create a group and show you how the whole thing works. So simply click Create Group to be able to create a new group. Then set up a group name. So this is a demo group. So I'm simply setting up some random names. Your group description goes here. Brand colors. If you want particular colors inside your group, you can select it here. So I have a color picker, which I usually use to pick colors from sites. So I'm going to use it right now to pick the color of my brand. And I'm going to paste it here. Then it's going to ask for a favicon and then a cover image and then a logo. I'm simply going to choose an image for logo. Okay, this is an example logo which I'm going to choose. It's not working. So I just chose one logo for the group. Going to hit create. So as soon as I hit create group, it's going to open a new tab and it's going to show the group which I just created. Okay. So it's loading. So as soon as it loads, it's going to ask you to upload a profile picture so that you can have your own profile inside the group. So I'll simply go in, I'll find a picture and I'll simply add it right now. So I have set a picture for myself. I'll set a title for myself. So when people look at your profile inside the community, they'll be able to see the title and the bio which you set here. I'll simply click complete the profile. So this is what the community app will look like when you just create it. So after creating this, you can simply go in and create a channel. So when you begin, you're going to have an announcement channel. This is a basic channel. So it's a requirement for the tool to have at least one channel. So it's going to create one by default. If you don't want this, you can go to settings and you can delete it, or you can rename it and you can change it to something else. For example, start here. And you can simply update it like this. Then you can create a couple of other channels based on the topics that you're going to speak. For example, onboarding, and then general chats. So right now we don't uh, have the ability to send messages to group members. Okay, so for now we can have something like general chats where people can come in and they can ask questions or talk with our other members. So simply they'll post, someone will come and respond back to it, and that's how we can have a conversation within the group for now. Okay, temporarily. In the next couple of weeks you are going to have the built-in DM feature as well. So you'll be able to message with the group creator, or else members will be able to message with each other. It's going to be super cool. So it's totally inside your control. So you can choose who can text who and all that. So you can have a couple of channels. Weekly calls. You can have a post inside this particular channel saying where the call will happen and when it will happen, and you can pin it so people can see it and join the call whenever the call happens. So I think this is really cool. Okay, so we have members tab. When you have members, it's going to show all the members and their information here. When someone requests to join the group, you'll be seeing them inside the requested. You can approve them. If you want to invite people to the group, click invite, enter their name and email to invite them through email. If you want to send a link with the invite, you can do that as well by copying an invitation link here. So simply copy the link and you'll be able to share it with people you want to invite inside the community. Okay, so that's how it works. And we have leaderboards. Okay, so whenever someone is coming in and engaging with a post or a comment, or whenever they are liking it, or whenever they are making a post, they're going to get some points, and it's going to gamify the community. So it will show who is the top contributor and who is doing what and all that. So let me go to the profile settings. Inside the profile, we have edit profile. So you or your students or group members, they can come in and they can edit their profile. They can edit their details and all that. So we have an option which says account, which is for the login email and to change the password. And then we have social media links. You can have the option to make it publicly visible, or you can hide it for phone numbers and emails. And then we have certificates. Okay, right now we have a learning tab inside the community. We have a learning tab inside the community. So if you have a course inside this particular community, or let's say you are the creator of the community, you want to allow your members to access certain resources that you have as course created inside the CRM, you can simply come in and you can choose that. And you can decide who has access to the course, and then you can choose whether it should be free or recurring or a one-time payment product. I'll choose free. I'll choose add course. So as soon as I add a course, it will send a notification to all my students inside the community, and they'll be able to come in, they'll be able to open, and they'll be able to see this particular course. So that's how the learning tab works. And basically, this is all the things that the community app has. Then we have settings here. Inside settings, you can change the group name, group URL, description. You can set whether the group should be public or private. You can turn this off to make sure that people are not able to access this in the app switcher. Then we have option for subscription. So if you want this group to be free, you can set it to be free. Or if you want to change this into a community membership, and if you want to charge people for it, you can simply click add price. You can select a price like $97 a month, recurring, no trial, and simply hit add price, and it's going to make this group membership a paid membership, which means people has to pay to get access to the group and all the content which is inside the group. Okay, I think it's pretty cool. If you want to change the branding, you can come here and you can change it. If you know CSS or JavaScript, you can come in here, can play with it and customize the platform. We have membership questions like you do on Facebook. Facebook, you can set up 3 membership questions and get answers whenever people try to sign up for the community. And you can edit gamification settings here. And then if you want to add some links to the description part of the community, you can do that by adding a link from here. For example, find a software. And when I hit add link and when I save this, it's going to add that link next to my community details. Okay, you can see it here. So this is how this particular thing works. So I hope I was able to be clear about how you can use the community and the features it has. So one last thing, when you want to post something, you don't have to use Vimeo or any other video tool. You can simply come here, choose image if you want to add image, or video if you want to add video. If you have the videos in Loom or Vimeo or YouTube, you can add the link here to embed it as a into a post. Or if you want to upload a video, you can directly click to upload the video and you can publish it. It's totally up to you. You can click channels to select which channel the post should be in, and then you can save it and publish. So that's how it works. So I think this video was helpful. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll be happy to help. See you on the next one. Bye.